We are in the last month to enjoy the products sold from both the annual 2022 to 2023 catalog and the mini January to May 2023 catalog. All of my videos this month will feature retiring colors and products. It's the last kick of the can for you to purchase the items and for me to demonstrate with them. Please note that some of the products may be sold out because of the last chance sale going on right now, where some of the products are deeply discounted. The retired products that I am using today are the Happiness Abounds stamp set, the Evening Evergreen ink pad, the Pretty Pillow Box dies, Pearl Basic Jewels, and Evening Evergreen Window Pane Check Ribbon. I have my scoreboard here and I've flipped my card base upside down. So I am going to be working on the front portion of this, but it's upside down. And I have pointed the that top corner there at 3, and I think it's at like 4 1/4. Anyway, just point that tip up at 3 and then just tip it to the left side there. And then what I'm doing is scoring every ½ inch. Now I know that there is a product out there back in the day, Stampin' Up used to sell it, and it was like an addition to this scoreboard and it had the diagonals on it. It was before my time. I don't own it. So I had to figure out how to get diamond shapes on my card, and this is how I figured it out. So I pointed that corner up at the 3 inch, and I am scoring every ½ inch to my scored like crease where I would normally crease my card. So I'm not going all the way through. I'm just going to my scored fold. So this, I am working on the card front, but like I said, it's upside down. So I am going to turn it right side up in just a second. And then what we're going to do is we're going to take that top right corner and we're going to point that at 6. And then just tip the card base to whatever. I think it's 6 actually, funnily enough. And then I'm going to go in every ½ inch here and just score down, and I'm going to go to my creased edge. Now I know this sounds complicated, but it is not. It is very easy. And what I wanted to do, I saw a creation, and I cannot tell you who it was that I saw, but it was years ago, and this card design has stayed in my head. And it, like, I don't know if that happens to you, but I've seen it somewhere. I don't know who it was, so please forgive me. And it was many, many years ago. And I thought to myself, what a beautiful card. I want to do that, and never have, because I never worked it out. Well, today I worked it out, and I'm going to share with you how to do it as well, because the Pearl Basic Jewels are retiring. And then I'm also going to get, because I'm a giver, I'm going to give you an alternative on what you can use in case you don't have any pearls. So I am now finished with my diamond pattern. I'm going to reinforce that fold at, what is it, 4 1/4. Now I think, I don't know, went 2 inches up, and I just used an X-Acto knife. I don't know if you have a craft knife handy. You can use just like even a box blade opener, whatever. And actually in the new catalog, you will see that the Take Your Pick tool has a knife attachment. So you will, once the new catalog comes in, you'll be able to use a product that is a craft knife. Finally, Stampin' Up. Yeah. All right. So I'm feeding that window pane check ribbon, Evening Evergreen in color. And I fed it through the card. And then I am tying a bow. And you know, it takes me a little while to tie a proper bow on camera.
2 hours later.
All right, look at that. The bow is done. The ribbon is taut. The white space looks fantastic. I love this window pane ribbon. And now, here I've sped up the video. We are attaching the small pearls on every crisscross of my diamond. Now, like I said, this card design was not mine, but it has been brewing. It's been, do you ever have that where you just remember something because it's phenomenal and you're like, why didn't I ever think of it? And why didn't I ever do it? Well, because I guess I didn't want to use all the pearls. However, they come in 3 different sizes. I love these pearls. I'm sad to see them go, but I can also offer you a substitute that you are going to love. And it's not going to cost a lot of money either. And that's where you can, if you like saving a buck or two, please like this video because I'm going to show you a hack. And you're going to be able to create this card, many cards like this, and not go broke by having to pay for all of the embellishments. This would look good with diamonds as well, but I really liked the pearls. So I'm just, again, like fast forwarded it through every crisscross. It didn't take that many pearls actually, and I feel good about using them up on a card, to be honest. However, if I was going to sell this at a craft fair, this is probably going to be $11.75 because those pearls weren't that, cheap. All right, I'm just finishing up here, and then I am going to use the label from the Pretty Pillow Box dies, and I am going to, and I sort of pre-cut them, but these dies are kind of phenomenal. I won't get rid of this particular die box because first of all, I love that little pillow box. I love the label, and I also love those open face flowers. So yeah, you're not going to see that in one of my BOGO events. Nope, I'm keeping it. All right, so I stamped the happy birthday, and then I put some dimensional adhesive on the back, and then I put it the way I wanted it to, and then I had to go in with my take your pick tool and remove my one little pearl. I stuck it elsewhere because I knew this happy birthday would cover it, and I don't want to cover it. All right, so there is my happy birthday with the dry embossed diamonds and pearls on every cross. Love it. Okay, so this is called Pearlized Enamel Effects, and this is white. It comes in white, red, and black. You can squeeze out as many pearls as you want. You've got a lot. You have to let it dry for a couple hours. I choose to do this and then put it off to the side, and I don't touch it until the next morning because I can make a mess. And also I touch things, and that's not good. I'll put something down and smush it. I also like to tap the back of that card just so that the pearls dome perfectly. And that's your hack. So look in the new catalog. There's some new colors of these pearlized enamel effects. All right. Thanks so much for joining me, and I will talk to you again soon. Bye for now.